Today, our world needs healing and to be rekindled with love. Once Florence Nightingale lit her beacon of lamplight to comfort the wounded. And her light has blazed a path across the century to us. Through her example and through the countless nurses and healers who have followed in her footsteps. Today, we celebrate Florence Nightingale's legacy of light. Let that same flame be rekindled to burn brightly in our hearts. Let us take up our own lanterns of caring. Each in our own ways, to more brightly walk our own paths of service to the world, to more clearly share our own noble purpose with each other. May human caring become the lantern for the 21st century. May we better learn to care for ourselves, for each other, and for all creation, that our spirits may burn brightly to kindle the hearts of our children and great-grandchildren. As they too follow in these footsteps.